Welcome to our in-depth roundup of the best level tools, your ultimate guide to achieving perfect alignment, accuracy, and professional quality results in every project you take on. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast working on home improvements, a professional contractor handling job site tasks, or someone simply looking to hang pictures straight on the wall, a reliable level tool is an essential part of your toolkit. From compact torpedo levels to versatile multi-piece sets, today's tools are designed with precision, durability, and ease of use in mind. In this guide, we'll walk you through 5 of the best level tools currently available, highlighting their key features, performance, and what makes each one stand out. We'll cover everything from magnetic functionality and build quality to portability and overall value, helping you choose the right tool for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Firecore Torpedo Level Magnetic, a compact yet highly capable tool designed for precision and convenience. This torpedo level is ideal for users who need a reliable tool that can perform well in tight or awkward spaces. One of its standout features is the strong magnetic base, which allows it to securely attach to metal surfaces such as pipes, conduits, and steel framing. This hands-free capability is incredibly useful, especially for electricians and plumbers who often need both hands free while working. The Firecore level typically includes multiple vials for measuring horizontal, vertical, and angled positions, ensuring versatility across a wide range of tasks. Its durable construction makes it suitable for job site use, while the lightweight design ensures easy portability. Whether you're installing fixtures, aligning pipes, or working on quick home fixes, this level offers dependable accuracy in a compact form. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a portable, no-fuss leveling solution. Coming in at number 4 is the Rong Pro 9-inch Torpedo Level, a simple and dependable option that's perfect for everyday use. This level strikes a great balance between size and performance, offering enough length for accurate readings while still being easy to carry and handle. Its 9-inch design makes it suitable for a wide variety of applications, from small household tasks to medium-scale construction work. The Rong Pro level typically features 3 easy-to-read vials for horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree measurements, allowing users to tackle different alignment tasks with confidence. Its lightweight build ensures comfortable use, while the sturdy construction helps maintain consistent accuracy over time. This tool is especially appealing to homeowners and DIY users who want a straightforward, reliable level without unnecessary complexity. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance, this one is definitely worth considering. At number 3, we have the WorkPro 12-inch Torpedo Level, a slightly larger option that offers enhanced stability and improved accuracy. The extra length provides better contact with surfaces, which can lead to more precise measurements, especially when working with longer materials or larger installations. This makes it a great choice for tasks like shelving, cabinetry, and framing. The WorkPro level often includes a magnetic edge, allowing it to attach to metal surfaces for added convenience. This feature is particularly useful when working with steel structures or pipes, as it frees up your hands and improves efficiency. Additionally, the multiple vials allow for versatile angle measurements, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Its durable frame and ergonomic design ensure it can handle regular use while remaining comfortable to work with. For users who want to step up in precision and usability, this level delivers excellent value. Stepping up to number 2 is the DeWalt 9IN Torpedo Extruded Level, a premium tool built for professionals who demand durability and high performance. DeWalt is a well-known name in the tool industry, and this level lives up to the brand's reputation with its rugged construction and reliable accuracy. This model features an extruded aluminum body, which provides superior strength and resistance to bending or damage. This makes it ideal for tough job site conditions where tools are frequently exposed to heavy use. The high-visibility vials ensure easy reading even in low-light environments, improving accuracy and efficiency on the job. Many versions also include strong magnets and a V-groove design, allowing for secure placement on pipes and rounded surfaces. The DeWalt Torpedo Level is designed for those who need a dependable tool that can withstand demanding conditions while maintaining precise measurements. Whether you're working in construction, plumbing, or electrical installation, this level offers the durability and performance professionals rely on. Finally, Taking the top spot on our list is the Duratech 3-piece level tool set, a versatile and comprehensive solution that provides maximum flexibility for a wide range of tasks. Instead of relying on a single level, this set includes multiple sizes, allowing you to choose the right tool for each specific job. This versatility is one of the biggest advantages of the Duratech set. Smaller levels are perfect for tight spaces and quick adjustments, while longer levels provide greater accuracy for larger surfaces and installations. This makes the set ideal for everything from picture hanging and furniture assembly to larger renovation projects. The tools in this set are typically constructed with durable materials and feature easy-to-read vials, ensuring consistent performance and long-lasting reliability. Having multiple levels at your disposal not only improves accuracy, but also increases efficiency, as you can switch between sizes depending on the task at hand. For both beginners and experienced users, this set offers outstanding value and convenience, making it our top recommendation. Choosing the right level tool ultimately depends on your specific needs and the type of projects you plan to tackle. If portability and compact design are your priorities, a torpedo level like the Firecore or Rongpro models may be the perfect fit. If you need enhanced precision and stability, a slightly larger option like the WorkPro level could be the better choice. For professionals who require durability and top-tier performance, the DeWalt level stands out as a premium option. And if you want maximum versatility and value, the Duratech multi-piece set is hard to beat. No matter which option you choose, investing in a quality level tool is essential for achieving accurate, professional-looking results. A good level not only ensures your work looks better, but also helps prevent structural issues and alignment problems down the line. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in the outcome of your projects. And that brings us to the end of our review of the best level tools available today. From the compact and convenient Firecore torpedo level magnetic, the reliable Rongpro 9-inch torpedo level, the precision-focused WorkPro 12-inch torpedo level, the professional-grade DeWalt 9IN torpedo extruded level, to our top pick, the versatile Duratech 3-piece level tool set. There's something here for every type of user. So, which level tool do you think suits your needs best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for current prices and deals so you can grab the best option for your toolbox today. Thanks for watching.